Guys.
County in Central California until 1:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:42 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Country Club.
Holy crap.
Moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Stockton, Waterloo, Farmington, Country Club, Taft Mosswood, Garden Acres, Kennedy, August, Linden, Morada, Lincoln Village, and Lock Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh
Prepare
my god.
immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Funnel clouds are possible. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California, San Joaquin, and Stanislaus. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, simulcast on radio station KEC 57.
Okay. I forgot to make the video saying that the weather station was back on. It came back on last week. I'm like shaking right now. That is the first time that weather radio has ever gone off. And it wasn't even for an advisory or anything. It was a warning. It was for a severe thunderstorm warning, guys. Oh my gosh.